One of the things we pride ourselves on here at SolarWinds is listening to the community and listening to our customers. And although many of you are very happy with the products, sometimes it doesn't meet every single one of your needs. And if you find yourself in one of those areas where we're not meeting the needs for a specific product, it's an ideal time to put in a feature request. And it's really easy to submit a feature request. You just go to Thwack, select the product forum, and then go to feature requests. Now on this page, you're going to see a number of things. It's broken down by the newest feature requests, the ones with the top vote count, and on the right-hand rail, requests you've opened and ones you've voted on in the past. The first thing you should do before submitting a feature request is check to see if someone's already done it. And to do that, go to the search, and let's say I want additional SharePoint support. Oh, well, right there. Someone's already built one. So I can go to that. I have not voted, and I can vote for this idea. Now let's say you've searched and your particular request isn't in here. Well, you just go to Feature Requests and click Create. Give your request a good title that explains what you're looking for, and lay out the details, why you want it, what it'll help you with, and if possible, include some graphics so that the product managers understand what you're looking for. Lastly, put in a couple of tags if it'll help people search for it, and hit Post. When you first submit a feature request, it comes in as open for voting, and that status is where anyone in the community can upvote or downvote it. We take that information and we look at that when we're planning our future products. In addition to open for voting, there's a couple other statuses. We have what we're working on. This is when we take a feature request and actually put it into our roadmap for our next release. There's implemented for when that has been put into a release, and we'll let you know what version and or hotfix that's been deployed in. And there's closed. The closed status is for feature requests that have typically been combined with other feature requests to make a new one. Neither one of them is 100% right, so a new one has been spun up and their votes have been correlated. And we typically leave all our feature requests open, but occasionally there are ones where they're duplicates of other effort, or they've been combined with other feature requests to kind of build a new kind of parent feature request, in which case we will close the children. Every one of our product forums has a feature request space, so be sure you're putting the feature request in the proper forum. That way, not only the community, but us here at SolarWinds can make sure we get the right eyes on it. Creating a feature request is really simple. Title, content, some tags, submit, you're done. But I want to ask you to take your time when you're actually building out that content, because once the voting starts, you can't go back and make any more edits. But that's all it takes to submit a feature request on Thwack.